And what is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Once again, thank y'all for watching as usual. You know how I always start my video off thanking y'all for everything that y'all been doing for me. So thank everybody for watching. Keep supporting me. I'm gonna keep bringing out better and better content. I want to start getting back on my 240 build, so I'm gonna start getting back on that soon. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done recently. Not in this video. In this video, we got my baby, my 04 Chevy Impala. So I keep seeing people say that they want me to do more stuff on Impala. So today my wheel bearing is bad. Can't really tell, but yeah, my wheel bearing is bad. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace the front wheel bearing on a 04 Impala. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, obviously, take the tire off. I have special lugs, so we're gonna take my tire off, and then okay, so tires off. Let's zoom in a little bit. Next thing that we're going to be doing is taking off our spindle. So there's 2 screws, 1, 2 on the spindle. Can you guys see in there? Not really. Okay, now you can see. One here, and then there's one under it. So those should be like 21s. I don't know if I have one. Then you're gonna need a hammer because these are pressed in. So I'm gonna get a hammer and we're gonna beat these 2 screws out. And the next thing you're gonna need after that is a 36mm for the axle nut. So let me go get that real quick too. Right back. All right, so remember lubrication is a big part, especially with axle nuts because the axle nuts are very rusty because they don't have covers. So let me find my spray. Okay, so the best way to beat these nuts off or out is to put these back on the spindle nuts so that when you hit it, you don't beat up threads too much. Alright, so these screws aren't always the easiest to come out, so it gets stuck in this side, so all you gotta do is get a little screwdriver or a socket, anything to fit in the hole, just beat it through. Two screws, sit down the side. There we go. Next, the axle nut, 36mm. Sorry, 34. Oh, I did change these. I forgot I did change these. I did change the axle so the new nuts were smaller. So these are actually 32s in my case. Axle nut. Take the axle out like so. All right, so this is what we have done so far. Got our spindle off. Got our axle out, and then there are 3 screws back here. Well, I think it's here. Yeah, it's 3. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 screws back here. They should be they're 13s, but 13s are a little too small or big. I forgot. So I use 1/2 inch. So we're gonna get our 1/2 inch, and then we're gonna finish these, taking this baby out. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take off the caliper bracket. Just get that out of the way. I don't have too much time. My camera is dying once again. So I think these should be 15s. Yep. I'm gonna grab my 15. All right, got my 15 and my gun. I'm telling you, Snap-on, y'all need to go ahead and just sponsor me, bro. Every tool that I own is just about Snap-on. Okay, our rotor's off. Now, last but not least, we can take out our screws in the back. here my screws are out. 1, 2, 3. One screw, 2 screw, 3 screws, they're all out. So now with that being said, this should just wiggle its way out. Sometimes it's not always that easy, but it should just come out. And of course, knowing my luck, it won't. So let's get our hammer. I guess I put a little bit too much force in it. Before you guys take this out, make sure that there's a plate behind here. Make sure that you look at the way that the plate goes, because I didn't do that just now, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one. And I'm gonna just put it back in. You guys can watch me do that because you want to see how I took it out, so you can watch me just put it back in. All done. All right, so that's pretty much it. Everything's in. My caliper's back on, bracket's back on, my rotors, everything's tightened back down, the axle nut's tight. That's pretty much it. Simple job. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm sure you guys don't care about me putting the tire back on, so I guess that's it for this video. That's how you do a wheel bearing on a 04 Chevy Impala. For the ones who've been wanting me to do more on Impalas. And Malibus are the same thing. Chevy Malibus, pretty much the same thing in a way. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see next. Thank you for all the support that you guys been giving me, and I will see you guys back on my next one.
Boy.